Little storyteller.
Rain had just stopped. The world smelled fresh and clean. Lily, a little girl with bright pink boots and a yellow raincoat, skipped down the path. She had curly brown hair that bounced when she moved. Suddenly she saw it, a big round puddle right in the middle of the path. The water in it looked dark and still, like a shiny mirror reflecting the cloudy sky. Lily stopped. Should she walk around it, or should she jump in it? Her eyes twinkled with a playful idea. She looked around. Nobody was watching. Taking a deep breath, Lily lifted her little pink boots high and jumped right into the middle of the puddle. Splash! Water flew up all around her, making tiny droplets dance in the air like shiny jewels. Lily giggled. The sound of the splash was funny, and the feeling of the cool water on her boots made her toes wiggle with delight. She jumped again. Splash! This time, she made an even bigger splash. Suddenly, Lily heard a little squeak. A small, fluffy bunny, with long ears, was sitting under a big green leaf nearby, watching her with wide, curious eyes. Lily stopped jumping. She looked at the bunny and smiled. "It's fun," she said. The bunny twitched its nose. Slowly, Lily stepped out of the puddle. She didn't want to splash the fluffy bunny. She bent down and looked at it. "Would you like to jump with me?" she asked gently. The bunny hopped a little closer. Lily gently tapped her pink boot in the puddle, making a tiny splash. The bunny's ears perked up. It hopped a little closer to the edge of the water. Then, something amazing happened. The bunny wiggled its nose again, and then it hopped, not into the deep part of the puddle, but just at the edge, making a tiny little splash of its own. Lily clapped her hands. The bunny looked up at her, its eyes bright. Lily knew right then that joy wasn't just about big splashes. It was also about sharing happy little moments with a new friend. And sometimes, the smallest splash can bring the biggest smile.
Please subscribe. Thank you.